Unsafe employee behaviors are the cause of many workplace accidents. While the OSH Act may not be able to regulate employee behaviors, employer-sponsored safety and health programs can, and both managers and HR personnel play a big part in these programs. The first thing managers and HR can do to help change employee behavior is to identify and communicate job hazards directly to employees in an easy-to-understand way. Managers and HR can do this by using either one or both of the following methods. The first method is the job hazard analysis technique, and it involves breaking down a job into the basic elements, rating each element for its potential harm or injury, and then finding possible technology or behavior changes that would reduce or eliminate the hazard. The second method is the technique of operations review, which analyzes past accidents by discussing the events with all parties involved and figuring out what caused the accident and how to prevent it in the future. Additionally, managers and HR should reinforce safe practices by creating incentive programs for safe employee behavior. For example, giving rewards to employees during employee meetings. Another thing managers and HR should do is take action immediately after being informed of a safety issue in order to show employees that safety issues really are important. Managers and HR should also look for and target risks and take preventative measures to reduce or eliminate this risk. For example, have employees wear safety goggles when using all machines and chemicals, even if it is not required by law to wear goggles when using that machine or chemical. Additionally, managers and HR should promote safety both in the US and internationally if the company operates internationally by educating themselves on the different languages and cultures of their employees and adapt their training accordingly. Lastly, if the company operates internationally, managers and HR should know the laws, enforcement practices, and political climates of the international workplaces and adapt training to ensure that all workplace practices are ethical and follow the OSH Act as closely as possible, even though it is not required by law to do so in other countries.